It's K-Drama Fanatics here and welcome back to my channel. Coming Korean drama this November 2023. Number 1, Moon in the Day. Moon in the Day is a drama based on a webtoon that tells a chilling and heartbreaking love story that spans 1,500 years. Moving back and forth between the past and present, the drama stops after being killed by his lover and a woman who has lost her memories of her past life and continues to flow like a river. Number 2, Daily Dose of Sunshine. Based on a webtoon and the real-life experiences of a psychiatric nurse, Daily Dose of Sunshine tells the story of nurse Jung Da-eun, played by Park Bo-young, who cares deeply about her patients and experiences personal and professional growth after being transferred to the psychiatric department, as she meets people with wounded hearts. Number 3, Vigilante. Vigilante is a webtoon-based drama that follows the story of Kim Ji-young, an exemplary police university student who upholds the law by day but becomes a vigilante by night, taking matters into his own hands against criminals who escapes justice. Number 4, Goryo Kitan War. It tells the story of King Yeon-jong, played by Kim Dong-jun, whose tolerant leadership united Goryo to win the war against Kitan, and his political mentor and commander-in-chief of the Goryo army, Kang Gun-chan, played by Choi Soo-jong. Number 5, Secret Playlist. It depicts the secret romance between Song Han-ju, an ordinary college student who secretly works as a music YouTuber, and Lee Do-guk, a member of the popular idol group who goes by the stage name Levi. Number 6, Boyhood. Set in the backdrop of Burio Agricultural High School in Chungcheon Province in the 1980s, Boyhood follows the story of high school student Jang Byung-tae, played by Im Si-won, a loner whose only goal is to not get beat up but who becomes the most powerful kid overnight. Number 7, A Bloody Lucky Day. A Bloody Lucky Day is a webtoon-based thriller drama about taxi driver Otek, played by Lee Sung-min, who picks up the high-paying customer Gyum Yuk-soo, played by Yoo Yeon-sok, headed to Mokpo and finds out on the way that he is a serial killer. Number 8, The Story of Park's Marriage Contract. Based on a webtoon, The Story of Park's Marriage Contract is a time-slip romance drama about the contractual marriage between bachelor Kang Tae-ha, played by Bae In-yuk, and Park Yeon-woo, played by Lee Se-young, who has traveled to modern day from 19th century Joseon. Number 9, My Demon. My Demon is a fantasy rom-com about the demon like chaebol hires Do Do-hee, played by Kim Yoo-jung, who does not trust anyone, and the charming demon Jung Gu-wo, played by Song Kang, who loses his power one day as they enter a contractual marriage. Number 10, Tell Me That You Love Me. Based on an award-winning Japanese romance drama, Tell Me That You Love Me is about Cha Jin-woo, a hearing-impaired person who feels freedom in his own quiet world, and Jung Mo-eun, an unknown actress with self-respect who proudly chases her dreams and love. And last, the For Short 2023 KBS Drama Special to be aired every Saturday of November. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.